how to change your nickname on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your nickname easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here and then click the 3 points and then click edit profile, and here we'll find personal info. Click on it. Now all you need to do, just click nickname and change it and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.